Welcome back. Today we're checking out some of the best Amazon kitchen gadgets and home essentials worth buying in 2026. These smart products can help you save time, reduce mess, stay organized, and make cooking a lot easier. All product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Starting off with number 1, the TUYU Electric Spin Scrubber, a powerful cleaning gadget that makes scrubbing faster, easier, and way less tiring. The high-speed rotating brush helps remove dirt, grime, and stains with minimal effort, making it perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, tiles, and more. It saves time, reduces hand strain, and gives you a deeper clean without the hard work. The cordless design makes it easy to move around, while the different brush heads help you clean multiple surfaces effortlessly. Number 2, the Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener, a smart kitchen gadget that opens cans automatically with just the press of a button. It cuts smoothly around the lid without sharp edges, making it safer and easier to use for everyday cooking. It saves time, reduces hand strain, and is especially helpful for people with weak grip strength or arthritis. The compact cordless design also makes it easy to store while keeping your kitchen routine faster, safer, and more convenient. Number 3, the Graceno Microwave Cover, a simple but super useful kitchen essential that helps keep your microwave clean while heating food evenly. It prevents messy splatters and spills, reducing cleanup time and keeping your microwave looking spotless. The vented design allows steam to escape properly, helping food heat more evenly without getting soggy. It's reusable, easy to clean, and makes everyday reheating quicker, cleaner, and way more convenient. Number 4, the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper, a powerful kitchen gadget that makes chopping fruits and vegetables faster, easier, and way less messy. With sharp stainless steel blades, it quickly dices onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, and more in seconds, helping you save time during meal prep. It reduces hand effort, keeps your cuts more consistent, and helps keep your countertop cleaner while making cooking more efficient and enjoyable. All products links are in the description below. Number 5, the Moustique Wooden Utensil Set, a beautiful and practical kitchen upgrade that gives your cooking setup a warm, natural look. The durable teak wood design is safe for non-stick cookware, helping prevent scratches while making cooking more comfortable and enjoyable. The set includes multiple utensils for everyday cooking, plus a spoon rest to keep your countertop cleaner and more organized. It's long-lasting, easy to use, and adds a premium aesthetic touch to your kitchen. Number 6, the Priority Chef Potato Ricer, a simple but powerful kitchen tool that helps you make smooth, fluffy mashed potatoes with minimal effort. The heavy-duty design presses potatoes evenly for a light, lump-free texture that's hard to get with regular mashers. It saves time, reduces hand effort, and also works great for vegetables and homemade baby food, making your cooking routine easier and more efficient. Number 7, the Nelco Label Maker, a smart organization tool that helps you label and organize almost anything in your kitchen or home. From spice jars and storage containers to shelves and pantry items, it makes everything easy to identify and access. It helps reduce clutter, improves organization, saves time when finding items, and gives your space a clean, professional, and well-organized look. Number 8, the Utcoach 4-in-1 Colander Set, a versatile kitchen essential that makes washing, draining, soaking, and serving food much easier. The smart multi-use design helps you prep fruits, vegetables, pasta, and more all in one bowl, reducing mess and saving time in the kitchen. It's lightweight, easy to use, and helps keep your cooking routine faster, cleaner, and more organized every day. Number 9, the Sums Titanium Cutting Board, a modern and durable upgrade that makes food prep cleaner, safer, and more efficient. The strong titanium surface is resistant to stains, odors, and scratches, helping keep your kitchen more hygienic during everyday cooking. It's easy to clean, long-lasting, and provides a smooth cutting surface that handles daily use with ease while giving your kitchen a sleek, premium look. Number 10, the Flairosol Olivia Oil Sprayer, a smart kitchen tool that gives you a fine, even spray for cooking, roasting, grilling, and air frying. It helps control oil portions more accurately, making meals lighter and healthier without sacrificing flavor. The continuous spray design reduces mess, prevents overpouring, and makes cooking more efficient while adding a clean, modern touch to your kitchen setup. Number 11, the Genaluca Herb Scissors, a clever kitchen tool that makes cutting herbs faster, easier, and way more precise. The 5-blade design lets you chop herbs like cilantro, parsley, and green onions in seconds, helping you save time during meal prep. It reduces mess, gives you more even cuts, and makes cooking feel quicker and more convenient while adding fresh flavor to your meals effortlessly. Number 12, the Mad Shark Silicone Oven Mitts, a must-have kitchen essential that gives you better protection and confidence while cooking or baking. The heat-resistant silicone design helps protect your hands from hot pans, trays, and dishes, while the textured grip gives you a more secure hold to help prevent slips and accidents. They're flexible, comfortable to wear, easy to clean, and perfect for everyday kitchen use. Plus, the durable design lasts much longer than regular fabric mitts while keeping your cooking routine safer, easier, and more convenient. Number 13, the All-Star Innovation Spice Spinner, a smart and satisfying way to organize your spices while making cooking faster and more convenient. The rotating design lets you quickly find the spice you need without digging through messy cabinets, while the compact setup helps save valuable kitchen space. It keeps your spices visible, organized, and easy to access, reduces clutter, and gives your kitchen a cleaner and more efficient feel every time you cook. Number 14, the Umite Chef Silicone Cooking Utensil Set, a complete kitchen upgrade that makes cooking easier, more organized, and way more enjoyable every day. The heat-resistant silicone heads are safe for non-stick cookware, helping prevent scratches while giving you smooth and comfortable cooking performance. With multiple utensils included for stirring, flipping, serving, and mixing, you'll always have the right tool ready when you need it. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, the durable design is built for everyday use, and the modern look instantly gives your kitchen a cleaner, more premium feel while making your cooking routine faster and more efficient. Number 15, the Umite Chef Mixing Bowls with Airtight Lids, a versatile kitchen essential that makes mixing, storing, and meal prep much easier. The airtight lids help keep food fresh longer while preventing spills and leaks, making them perfect for prepping or storing leftovers. The nesting design saves cabinet space, the durable build handles everyday use, and the clean modern look keeps your kitchen organized and efficient. All products links are in description below. Number 16, the Eucopia Stormore Bakeware Rack, a smart storage solution that keeps your baking trays, cutting boards, and pans neatly organized and easy to access. The adjustable dividers let you customize the space to fit different sizes, helping reduce clutter and maximize cabinet storage. It makes grabbing cookware quicker, keeps everything upright and organized, and gives your kitchen a cleaner, more efficient setup. Number 17, the Ecolution Micro Pop Popcorn Popper, a fun and convenient way to make fresh popcorn at home in just minutes. It lets you pop kernels quickly in the microwave without needing extra oils or artificial ingredients, making snack time healthier and more affordable. The compact design is easy to use and clean, while helping you save money on packaged popcorn and enjoy fresh, homemade snacks anytime. Number 18, the Wibberman Ice Cube Tray Set, a smart freezer essential that makes making and storing ice easier and more organized. The easy release trays let you remove ice cubes quickly without bending or struggling, while the included lid helps keep ice fresh and free from freezer odors. The storage bin keeps everything neatly contained, saves freezer space, and makes your daily routine more convenient whether you're making drinks, iced coffee, or smoothies. Number 19, the Ototo Gracula Garlic Crusher, a fun and creative kitchen gadget that makes crushing garlic quick, easy, and way more entertaining. Just twist and crush to break down garlic in seconds without needing extra effort. It saves prep time, reduces mess and garlic smell on your hands, and adds a unique, playful touch to your kitchen while making cooking more convenient every day. Number 20, the Pysol Kitchen Gadgets Set, a compact collection of smart kitchen tools that make everyday cooking tasks quicker and more convenient. From peeling and slicing to opening and prepping, these gadgets help save time, reduce effort, and make meal prep easier. The compact design keeps everything organized without taking up much space, while adding more efficiency and convenience to your daily kitchen routine. All products links are in the description below. Number 21, the KitShure Dish Drying Rack, a smart and space-saving kitchen essential that helps keep your dishes organized and dry after washing. The multifunctional design provides dedicated space for plates, bowls, cups, and utensils while allowing proper drainage to keep everything clean and hygienic. It helps reduce countertop mess, saves space, and gives your kitchen a cleaner, more organized, and efficient look every day. All products links are in the description below. Number 22, the Greenlife 3-in-1 Breakfast Maker Station, a powerful all-in-one kitchen appliance that lets you make breakfast faster and easier than ever. It combines multiple cooking functions in one compact design, so you can prepare eggs, toast, and coffee at the same time without using multiple appliances. It saves time in the morning, reduces kitchen mess, and makes your daily routine more efficient while giving your kitchen a modern, space-saving upgrade. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Amazon finds like these.